today I'm just gonna have plain rice with homemade kanchans side dishes. I have rice here, my favorite, the fried eggs, and my mom made this squid, like gochujang season. And I have this anchovy, and I have kimchi, if I forget, and I have ta-da, seaweed, and I have like this sauce. It's with sesame oil, sesame seeds, and soy sauce. So let's get it. I'll show you how I eat it. White rice. I get some fried egg in there. So I'm gonna cut kimchi. Kimchi right here. It's very good.